Good morning world and all who inhabit it.
Good morning, thunderbaby.
What the How did you get in here? I guess I gotta put bars on the windows instead of screens. Were you sleeping next to me this whole time?
Yup. Hey, get back here.
Oh god. I'm too afraid to lift up these covers. Good thing they cover my eyes. Oh shoot. What's that noise?
I got you now, my love. Huh? Where is he?
Oh god, I gotta pretend I'm asleep.
He's so cute when he's asleep. WTF. I didn't know bedsheets could barf. Hey, wait a minute.
Oh, here we go again. How to get away. Hello. You've reached the house of well-recognized talent. Please start after the...
I found your new address, thunderbaby.
Hey Thunderbolt, you feeling alright? I said, are you feeling
alright, thunderbaby. Hey Thunderbolt, want a Tempest Cola?
Sure. Thanks. Wow. That's refreshing.
My solenoid grease was in a Tempest Cola.
Your what?
The grease from my solenoids. It was in your Tempest Cola.
You got some serious issues, dude. Dog. BSB's house should be safe.
Thunderbolt?
Oh no. Not you too, BSB.
Thunderbolt, what the heck is going on? What the Thunderbolt? It's me, Broken Solar Panel. You know, the one who drew you.
Oh sorry BSB, I thought you were 1003 for a second. See, she's been chasing me out of my mind for days now and I wanna get back at her. She even made me drink a Tempest Cola laced with her solenoid grease.
Oh, God. That's disgusting. Don't worry, I got something in mind. I'm gonna make a few little changes to your laser. It's gonna turn all the sirens you hit into lookalikes of yourself. And if you hit yourself with the laser, you'll turn into a 1003 lookalike. It even changes your voice. And done.
Thanks BSB. I am saved.
You should have listened. I was gonna say if the voice would wear off at some point.
Oh my god. I look like the siren I always hated. Oh well, let's test the laser.
Whoa, there's thunder babies everywhere.
Hey 1003. Nice day isn't it?
OMG, Thunderbolt noticed me.
Here's a thunder wiener for the thunderlady.
Holy crap, this is the best day ever. K1003. Oh hi me. Wait, what? Another me? WTF? Oh whatever. What's shaking? I'm gonna go make my thunder baby a whole bunch of thunder wieners. Sounds good to me.
Phew. She didn't notice that
It was me.
It sounds like my lookalike had a deeper voice there for a second. Like that of my thunderbolty.
No I don't. Hey, why does my voice sound normal again? I farted so hard that it deepened my voice.
I don't believe you. I think you are Thunderbolt in disguise. Look, these solenoids come right off. And I bet that hair is fake as well. Look.
Oh.
Now get over here. I want you inside me.
1003. How stupid are you? We are made up of mostly the same parts. So technically, I am already inside you. Wait. That also means, oh god. You're inside me as well.